Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something very real and very emotional. When you want to make her help happy, but you can't. So today in full video, I'm going to describe all the things. So why it's hard and when it's not something necessary, but still happen. Sometimes the hardest part of the love is not fighting, it's not a distance, also, it's not even silence. Sometimes the hardest part is this: you want to make someone's happy, but you can't. And when that person matters you deeply, the feelings hurt more than just a people understand. Today, I want to talk about that pain. Want to do more. The first part is want to do more, but you truly care about someone. You naturally want to do something for them, but you want to make them smile. You want to make their day better. You want to do to give them what they ask for, not because you are forced to, but because their happiness matter to you. Okay, that is very painful part, because sometimes even when your heart is ready, but the situation is not. You may want to do something for them, but life, money, timing, circumstances, many things. You're apart, you're somewhere else, she's somewhere else, and from the outside it may look like you did not care enough, but inside you know how much you wanted to. The guilt, what hurts the most is not always their anger. Sometimes it is just the guilt, that quiet feeling inside that keeps saying, I wish I could have done more. That sentence can stay in your mind for hours, for time, for days, even for the weeks. You replay the moment, you think about what you could have done differently. You ask yourself if you failed them. And when you love someone, even small disappointment can feel very heavy, because when your intentions are real, not being able to do enough feel personal. So basically, the third is love is not about results all the time. But here's something important that many people forget: love is only about result is not. Love is also about intention. Not every person who disappoints you wanted to disappointed you. Sometimes they were trying, sometimes they were struggling, sometimes they were helpless in the way they did not know how to explain. But a mature relationship is not about just was what was done. It is all about understanding the efforts, the struggle, and the heart behind the effort. Because a person who truly cares may not always get everything right, but that does not mean their love is fake. The truth about relationship, the truth is, a real relationship, you cannot always be perfect. You cannot always say perfect things to someone. You cannot you cannot do perfect timing. You cannot always say fulfill their expectation. Sometimes all you can offer is your efforts, your honesty, your heart. And yes and yes, I must say, sometimes that still feels like it is not enough. But real love is not about built only on perfect moments. It is also built on understanding, patience, emotional honesty, and seeing the love behind the struggle. Sometimes the sentence I wanted to do but I could not, that carries more pain than other people realize. And in the end, I just want to say something like, so if you have ever been in that place where you wanted to make someone's happy but you could not, do not feel hard on yourself. Never. If your intention was real, your feeling were real, your efforts matter, your hearts matter too. And maybe one day the right person will not only notice what you have given them, they will also notice what you were trying to give. And even when life is did not let you, if you relate to this, comment below. I tried. And if you want to more honest relationship videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for